How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the Roblox lag on PS5. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that there are no server interruptions on the PlayStation servers. Now that everything's working perfectly, let's adjust the internet connection of your PS5. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you are using a LAN cable. This will eliminate the bandwidth and lag if you're using something like a wireless connection. But if you are, you want to navigate through the setup internet connection, click on the Wi-Fi that you're connected into, and make sure that you select the Wi-Fi frequency to 5 gigahertz only. So this will basically boost the connection between your Wi-Fi. And of course, if a lot of people are using your Wi-Fi, this will cause it to lag. So you just want to tell them that you want to go ahead and avoid downloading when you're playing online game and such. Now, on the same setting, you want to click on the advanced setting, basically on the same Wi-Fi. And from there, you want to set the DNS setting to manual. For primary DNS, you want to set 8888, and for the secondary DNS, it's going to be 8844. And the last thing that you want to do is to head over to the users and account, click others, and then we have the restore licenses. Just make sure that you restore the license for Roblox, and from there, this should basically fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.